Today we're talking about how to get free leads on Google. You heard right, getting absolutely free leads without having to pay Google a single dime. Now you're gonna wanna put today's strategy into immediate practice, regardless of the industry that you're in. This is a huge opportunity that a lot of people are sleeping on. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so today we're covering how to get free leads using Google. And I'm not gonna bury the lead. The number one strategy that you need to deploy this very second to leverage Google to its maximum capacity is creating your Google My Business profile. Now, many of you are probably hearing Google My Business for the very first time. So I'm not asking you to actually Google My Business. I'm asking you to create a profile within Google My Business, the actual platform that Google gives you for your benefit. Because you see, you have the ability to create a free business profile thanks to Google under the Google My Business platform, which means that it's not gonna cost you anything to create your profile and be seen within Google. And simply because a strategy is free doesn't mean that you absolutely have to deploy it if it doesn't provide value to your business. So with that being said, I wanna give you the reasons why Google My Business profiles are actually valuable for your business and are gonna drive leads into your business. The very first reason is because you're gonna be visible on Google Maps. So whenever somebody is on Google Maps or on the Google search and they type in real estate agent near me as an example, your business has a high probability of showing up. Because think about it, if Google gives you the ability to create your own business profile within the Google My Business network, who do you think Google is going to favor? They're gonna favor its own software, its own products, its own services. So by you creating your own business profile within the Google My Business network, your business will show up everywhere. But specifically here, we're talking about Google Maps. You want your business to show up in one of those red pins, so where a user clicks on that pin, they immediately have access to you. So they can check out your website, they can ask for directions to your business, they can give you a call, they can email you, however they want to reach out to you, they have the ability to do that. Now, it's important to remind you that Google Maps actually shows up towards the very top of Google. It beats even the organic searches. So at the very, very top, you're gonna have ads, and then you're gonna have Google Maps, and then you have the organic. So you're actually outranking the organic search. Now, speaking of search, Google My Business increases your visibility in this department as well. Because you see, whenever somebody searches, they're gonna get those ads, then they're gonna get the map, and then Google's gonna highlight at least 3 business profiles. And you want one of those to be yours. So let me give you a real life example of a realtor that I worked with over in Florida. Prior to working together, this agent's visibility on Google was very minimal. But as soon as we implemented the Google My Business strategy, you can see that anytime somebody types in the city plus realtor and then the city plus real estate agent, and among other key phrases that we went after, this agent shows up at the very top. Now, it's important to remind you that we're not talking about Google Ads. We're talking about Google My Business, which is absolutely free. This agent didn't pay anything for that positioning. So to this day, this agent continues to get calls, continues to get emails, and continues to get leads for absolutely no spin. Now, outside of ranking your business on Google, which is powerful in and of itself, why does this strategy work? It works incredibly well because you have the opportunity of providing reviews. You have the ability to showcase social proof, which the moment that other people that can be future clients of yours see other people's 5-star reviews, they're gonna be more likely to reach out to you because you're seen as a legitimate business. And another huge reason that the Google My Business strategy provides so many free leads is because Google itself acts as a directory, which means that this business directory that Google has created gives you, the business, another place or another platform to showcase your business. Now, all of this information is super valuable. However, it still requires for you to take action. So this means that you want to create your Google My Business profile today. today. So all you have to do is go to Google and type in Google My Business and click on that first link and start creating your profile. Remember, it's absolutely free. And once you create your profile, make sure that you update it. Make sure that you include your business hours, include your phone number, include your website, include images, make it a thriving business profile. Well, now you know how to get free leads using Google and actually show your business on the first page of the Google search. It's time to get back to business. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.